Hello.
Hey, you got the oranges.
Yeah, I did. And to be honest, you don't deserve it, but here you
Next
go.
up, the secret ingredient.
Come.
Secret ingredient?
My face. My face. Secret ingredient? Come. Yeah, mine. Real?
What is it? Chia seeds? Bananas? Blueberries?
No, it's cum.
If I told you, it wouldn't be a secret.
It's definitely cum. Let's be honest. Look at his face. Look at his fucking face. It is definitely cum. His fuckboy fucking expression. You know that it is a secret ingredient.
Let's make this interesting. My mysterious ingredient just got flown in at the airport. this morning. How about you go pick it up?
What the fuck? What the fuck? Here comes the airplane. Open up for my mysterious ingredients. Ah! Ah!
Let me level with you. Ian challenged us to work out what his secret smoothie ingredient is, without peeking inside the box. Could you give us a clue what's in there?
I don't need clues. I already know what it
No
is.
problem. Let's just say there's a good reason people are going nuts for his new recipe.
I think this game knows what it's doing. I think this game knows exactly what it's fucking doing. They literally put in caps locked nuts. I know calm when I see. Hi bitch, I got your cum.
Ingredient, as promised.
Here you go, use your cum.
4 smoothies. Coming right up.
Quick interview for the Mad. If we're trying a hot new recipe, we gotta tell our foodie fans about it.
We gotta tell everyone about your famous cum smoothie.
What's the secret to a slammin' smoothie?
What's the secret to a slamming asshole?
Good ingredients, a good blender, and a whole lot of love.
Oh, I do love getting some loving. Whole lot of love. Literally cum. Okay, like, literally.
I knew you girls couldn't resist a good mystery. You got me. I make my smoothies super creamy
With balls milk.
delicious, and vegan.
Yeah, cum is delicious and vegan.
Thanks for the inside scoop.
Thank you for the cum.
Anytime.
Creamy cum. Let me taking a selfie with this fucking idiot. Jesus Christ.